Secretary, James Ribeiro. Treasurer, Luisa B. Acapon. Auditor, Jenny Lynn Roman. Business Manager, Elisia Andaya. Aquilino Lilandaga. Sergeant at Arms, Amelia Tampuco. Sherry F. Landaga. PIO, Robin Yamita. News, Sharon Nakasina. And Escort, Paolo Lauderi.
Grade 2 roles, President Manji B. Belbias, Vice President Maribel B. Barbosa, Secretary Joan P. Hurtado, Treasurer Joan P. Marica, Auditor Vaji V. Vides, Business Managers Joan R. Villaflor and Ariel G. Buena, PIO Salve V. Abaenza, Surgeon at Arms Flora S. Bongalon and Helen E. Sombrero. Views Dominica A. Scherter.
Holy come.